Good morning and welcome to our first session of attraction marketing. There's something that I learned a few years ago, and it's completely changed the way that I show up online. And it's this: people don't want to be sold. I mean, we're all like this, right? We want to have a connection. We want to feel seen, and we want to feel that we can trust what is being shared to us, and we know it's real. And this is something that I learned that stopped me from shouting out into the void and actually attracting those people who were interested in what I had to offer without feeling like I was pitching something or that I had to chase them. When I first started showing up online, and I did what everyone else was doing. I mean, we've all done this, right? Join me, check this out, buy this now, right? And it felt really awkward and forced. And honestly, it's really annoying, right? And it didn't work, of course, because no one's listening in that case. So I tried something different. Instead of promoting an offer, I started sharing my story. And we've all heard this, right? Share your story. Talk about what you're going through. I felt burnt out. I was scared about retirement, frustrated with the hustle. And then I shared what I found. Not in a pushy way, but in a this changed something for me kind of way. And that's when everything started to shift. That's when women started messaging me saying, I feel like you're kind of in my head. Because suddenly they weren't seeing a pitch. They were seeing themselves in my story. And that's attraction marketing. It's not perfect graphics. It's not sales, like a sale funnel. It's you being honest, sharing your journey, and letting the right people lean in. So here's a simple tip for today. If your post sounds like a billboard, try again. Start with the problem you want to solve. Say, here's what helped me. Speak from experience, not pressure. And because that's what gets heard. And that's what builds trust. And that's what converts content into connection.